What does the word boarding usually mean at an airport? Options are A. Leaving the airport, B. Getting on the aircraft, C. Collecting luggage, D. Buying food. The correct answer is getting on the aircraft. Which word refers to a travel document used for identification? Options are A. Ticket, B. Passport, C. Map, D. Wallet. The correct answer is passport. What is the meaning of departure? Options are A. Arrival at a place, B. Waiting area, C. Leaving for a journey, D. Checking bags. The correct answer is leaving for a journey. Which word means bags and suitcases for travel? Options are A. Package, B. Cargo, C. Luggage, D. Box. The correct answer is luggage. What does security check usually involve? Options are A. Buying tickets, B. Checking safety and belongings, C. Boarding the aircraft, D. Finding a seat. The correct answer is checking safety and belongings. Which word refers to the place where bags are collected after landing? Options are A. Gate, B. Lounge, C. Baggage claim, D. Runway. The correct answer is baggage claim. What does the word delay mean? Options are A. On time, B. Earlier than expected, C. Late or postponed, D. Cancelled completely. The correct answer is late or postponed. Which word means a place to wait before boarding? Options are A. Counter, B. Gate, C. Cabin, D. Terminal. The correct answer is gate. What is the meaning of check-in at an airport? Options are A. Leaving the plane, B. Confirming travel and dropping bags, C. Collecting luggage, D. Passing security. The correct answer is confirming travel and dropping bags. Which word means to land safely on the ground? Options are A. Take off, B. Fly, C. Arrive, D. Land. The correct answer is land.